Hey there everyone, this is Jessica from DomesticatedMe.com here with a very special unboxing. This is my very first advent calendar of the year. Believe it or not, this is an advent calendar and it's from Rituals. If you're unfamiliar with the brand, they make incredible bath products, bath and body products. If you are in New York City, you might recognize them because they are often in upscale gyms or spas. Rituals gifted me this advent calendar and I'm so excited to open up. First of all, let's talk about the box itself. So when you open it up, it comes disassembled and all you have to do is take the cardboard piece out and start attaching the little fairy lights to the bottom. It has a drawing, like a map for you to figure out exactly where to place the light and where the stickers. It comes with the stickers, it comes with the fairy lights, and I just think it's such a good, neat idea. I love advent calendars because they're fun and exciting to open up each box, but this one is just particularly special because it's not only an advent calendar, but it's a piece of decor itself. Now, I come from a very Catholic Colombian family, and my family is very much into holidays, especially Christmas, and so my aunt would literally take up about at least a quarter of our living room with decorations and the nativity scene. So having this is just a reminder of that. So I really enjoy it. This is incredibly beautifully designed and well thought of. Each house has a slit in the back which allows the lights from underneath come through, and each house has the glass windows, has these clear plastic windows that allow the light to come through. Now, some of the products inside are covering that little slit that allows the light to come through, which is why some look like it's not lit up, but what it is just that the product is taking up so much space that it won't allow the light to come through. So as we remove the products, you'll see those windows light up. Now, as beautiful as this is, let's get to the products. Let me show you what's in here. So let's start opening these up. So we're gonna start with number one, which is right here. And each box actually tells you what this is. This is the first Sunday. Experience the calming effect of sweet jasmine by lighting this candle on the first Sunday of your Advent. So we have here Sweet Jasmine from their private collection. Oh, that's really lovely. That's really lovely. Wow. Very cute. I love candles, so I could never have enough candles. All right, let's move on to number two. Pucker up for Santa. Prep, moisturize, and protect your lips before applying your festive lipstick shade. Really pretty packaging right here. This is 011, and so I think you just press this button. Ooh, and it pops up. Very cool. And I really like the steel color. Very nice. Here's number three. A mini Christmas miracle. Find joy in the beauty of unexpected bliss with our new limited edition Serendipity. The rich foam is infused with a magical elixir of 10 sacred oils that'll leave your skin feeling cleansed and soft. Serendipity, finding something good without looking for it. Opulent foaming shower gel. Ooh, I have their shower gels, and their shower products smell amazing. Actually, one of my favorite Rituals products is they have an incredible, like a sugar scrub, body scrub. It smells so nice. The packaging is beautiful. It's one of my favorite products, if not my favorite. Number four, Christmas Harmony. Rebalance with the sweet scent of Indian rose and the soothing effects of Himalayan honey. The hand lotion contains over 95% natural ingredients to soften and moisturize your hands. Oh, wow, that smells really good. And let me just say that the first thing that I noticed when I actually opened the box was the smell. It smells so good. I don't know how many scents are within this box, but even with all the scents combined coming together, this box just smells absolutely heavenly. And this smells really good. The Ritual of Ayurveda, sorry if I'm not pronouncing that correctly, the ancient art of living wisely, instant care hand lotion. Number five, the second Sunday. Light this candle on the second Sunday of December for a merry moment of pure tranquility with the warming scent of imperial rose. That's really lovely. I love the smell of roses. That's beautiful. Oh, I love that. And it also comes in that same similar gold canister there. Beautiful. 6 is one of the trees. Be sweet to your body. This hair and body mist from the ritual of Ayurveda brings sweet harmony and balance for body and soul. Oh my gosh. Do you know what this reminds me of? I was going to say it earlier, but I wasn't sure. Now I'm really picking up. This smells like Jolly Ranchers. Like the red Jolly Rancher, that's what this smells like, and I love it. Santa loves a treat. Revel in the warm embrace of the ritual's oud foaming shower gel with oud and patchouli for silky smooth and fragrant skin. Ooh, this is another foam, the ritual of oud and patchouli foaming shower gel. Number 8, a merry meeting. Get the perfect locks with the ritual of Sakura shampoo and conditioner. Celebrate each day as a new beginning. So this is a nourishing conditioner with argan oil. Number 9, a Christmas glow. Reveal your inner glow and fight the first signs of aging with the ritual of Namaste Serum. The Radiance Anti-Aging Serum. There we go. Number 10, a Christmas dream catcher. Enhance the quality of your beauty sleep with the ritual of Jing Pillow Mist. Ooh. Oh, that's nice. That has like a very fresh, like woodsy, pine coney scent to it. Your path to inner peace, deep sleep, pillow mist, sacred wood, and lavender. Ooh, I'm putting this right next to my bed tonight. Number 11, a Christmas combo. Enjoy the ritual of Sakura shampoo and conditioner for nourishment and purity. Okay, so if that previous one was a conditioner, then this must be the shampoo. Celebrate each day as a new beginning, nourishing shampoo. I love the ritual of Sakura collection. The body scrub that I mentioned earlier is from this line, and it smells wonderful. Number 12, the third Sunday. Transform your home into a fragrant haven of violet and orris by lighting this candle on the third Sunday of December. Oh, that's really nice. Oh, that's really nice. Oh, I love that. I love that you get a candle for all the Sundays in December. I love that. That's really cute. So you light it for the week, and then you have another candle. I love that. Adventurous Advent. Start your day empowered with the ritual of Samurai Cooling Ice Shower. Groomed to perfection Sport Ice Shower Gel with organic bamboo and Japanese mint. Wow. That's nice. That's like a really good scent for the mornings. This will wake you up. Like that. Number 14, winter gloves. Treat yourself with a Christmas red scrub glove for soft and silky smooth skin. Oh, this is cool. I love these things. That's nice, and it's really beautiful color. Oh, I love these. It's almost glittery. I really like this. Perfect. I have the scrub, I have the glove, I have these beautiful creams and shower gels. My skin is going to be really nice. Number 15, be sweet to your skin. This foaming shower gel from the ritual of Jing brings calm and tranquility for body and soul. And there we go. Third shower gel in this advent calendar. Number 16, holiday hospitality. Give your guests a luxurious experience for their entire stay with our boutique soap bar. This one has holy lotus and organic white tea. That smells really nice. Number 17, a balanced Christmas. Soothe body, mind, and soul with this foaming shower gel from the ritual of Ayurveda. Here we go. Fourth shower gel in this box. Number 18, Christmas magic. Do good for your skin and good will come your way with the shower scrub from the ritual of karma. Here we go. It says it's a mild body scrub paste. It has clay and white tea. Here is 19. The fourth Sunday, warm your heart and soul with the elegant and floral notes of jade vine on the fourth Sunday of December. That's lovely. That's really nice too. There we go, our fourth candle. Number 20, a wondrous Christmas with a spritz of body mist. Imagine yourself surrounded by the wonders of 17th century Amsterdam. Oh, that smells really nice. This one has the tulip and Japanese yuzu. I think that's how you pronounce it, which is like a citrus, like an Asian citrus. 21, the magic of new beginnings. Treat your skin with the magic touch of the Ritual of Sakura body cream. I have this and I love it. Actually, I think I am just about running out of it, so look at this nice size body cream right here. And this has rice milk and cherry blossom. 22, a Christmas sparkle. Reveal your inner festive sparkle with this body shimmering body oil from the Ritual of Karma. Ooh, look at that. That is sparkly gold right there. Very cool. Do good and good will come your way. Soul shimmering body oil with holy lotus and white tea. 23, a Christmas companion, a luxury treat with our new style mini fragrance sticks. Add the relaxing and calming scent of sacred lotus and jujube to your home. Oh, I love it. Gosh, and that's beautiful too. Oh, that's lovely. Oh, I really, really like this. This is a little bit more of a masculine scent, so it's really nice home fragrance. It's not too girly, it's not too musky, it's really, really nice. That's gonna be one of my favorite products from this box. Number 24, a Dash of Elegance. Indulge your senses with Lily of the Valley and Anashi pear and invigorate your soul with the warmth of white musk. It's an eau de parfum, quality seal. It's got like a wooden top, a blue glass. Oh, I'm opening this right now. Oh, wow. Oh, that smells really good. Oh, I love that. That smells really good. Wow. What notes are we getting there? It says Lily of the Valley, which I love, and Nashi pear and white musk. That's really nice. I really like that. So that was everything in the Rituals Advent Calendar. 24 wonderful products. I will link to it down in the description box below. I have to say, I'm a big fan. This definitely got my seal of approval because not only do you get 24 products, it comes with this, which is, a wonderful decoration to display in your home, but the products are so good. This smells so wonderful. All of this smells great together, and individually they smell fantastic. I love the ideas of getting a candle for each Sunday of December. I love that. I love the home fragrance. This I love. I'm putting that pillow mist next to on my side of the bed right now. We're getting 4 shower gels in this as well. The body mist, this body oil, this shimmery body oil, I'm really excited to try out. But yes, I am a fan of Rituals. They have really good products. Every product that I've tried of theirs, I've really enjoyed. I've seen them again in some of the gyms and spas around New York City. So I think this is a really neat, a good deal and a neat product that you can give to someone who's into beauty or for yourself, because these products are amazing. It's a really great way to try out a lot of what they have to offer. So really enjoyed this. So thank you, Rituals, for sending me this. Again, I will link to them down in the description box below so that you can check them out yourself. Thank you so much for watching. Click or tap right here to watch my last video, or click down below to watch another video that you might enjoy. Thank you so much once again for watching, and stay tuned.